ALMS is trending up 83%. This is Tuesday, the 6th of January 2026. The 50-day average is around 1.1 million shares. It has a float of up to 60 million shares. So out of that 60 million, only 1.1 million shares actually trades. So far, 5.34 million shares have crossed the tape. It's not really a high beta stock. And it's also optionable. We'll have a look at all of those things. So the company or the stock has moved firmly into the spotlight after reporting highly positive top line data from its phase 3 trial of envudeucitinib, the company's oral TYK2 inhibitor being developed for patients with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis. The therapy not only showed strong efficacy but also successfully met all primary and secondary endpoints, signaling a potentially meaningful clinical benefit for patients who need alternatives to injectable biologics or traditional systemic drugs. The strength of the result has sparked real momentum and enthusiasm across the investor and biotech communities, with many highlighting enucitinib and envudeucitinib as a serious contender to become a best-in-class oral therapy for immune-mediated inflammatory diseases. At the same time, discussions are ramping up around how the company may position the drug within an increasingly competitive TYK2 landscape, the durability of its advantages versus existing and pipeline treatments, and what successful commercialization could mean for the company's long-term valuation and growth prospects. Yes, any drug that is oral helps a lot. It helps a lot. It helps a lot. It helps a lot. It goes a long way. It goes a long way. So this is what's going on right now. This is its daily chart. On the line trend before now was actually bullish. Okay, so the stock is currently trading at 14.39 right now. This is where it is right now. It has retested its it has now printed a new 52-week high. Okay. This is a pivotal projection of 11.67, and it will close above that. Then we're looking at something new here already. Yeah. So let's come down to the 4-hour chart, which is currently active right now. Okay, so it has actually given up some of those gains. Okay, it's pulling back right now. Yeah, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that this contraction may remain in place up till Thursday the 15th of January. Okay, we'll see how that goes. The 40-period moving average is equally rising to contain the pullback. Momentum is expected to remain stable at least up to Thursday the 8th, up to Thursday the 8th. And by then, maybe after that, in that session as well, there's a good chance that the stock may drop below its 10-period moving average on this 4-hour chart. Sorry. Okay, let's see what we have. We can quickly apply the market grid and see what it's going to give us. Okay, but before we do that, let's get the projections. We have 9.75. It's a downward projection. Um, yeah, it's a downward projection. So what we can do is just have a look at the market grid. It will give us a range of prices, but surely the stock would maybe trading outside of that grid. It gives you a range of possible prices. 90% of the time, it will always there's a good chance it may remain within that grid. Okay, so the good thing about it is that this grid has aged. I mean, this spike has aged, so it has a range of between 19.89 and 11.85, and it's currently at 14.65. So it's at the support. So there's a good chance it may continue to print lower prices. So market makers may be sorry, some traders may be watching. They'll be watching the levels of around that $12, $11 or thereabouts. As things stand right now, the buying opportunity is improving. It's improving, but yeah, it's improving. Some may be considering to get back into the stock as things stand right now as well. So let's just quickly glance at its 1 hour chart to see what we have there. We have between on this 4 hour chart we have 19.89 and 11.85. Let's see. Let's see what the 1 hour chart is indicating. Here we have 18.72 and 13.02 is a lot narrower here. And here it is also in the support zones. So they will be people will be maybe considering taking up our positions. They may be, but they may be watching. They may be watching to see what's going to come up. So what we can do is reapply the market grid, price pressure momentum indicator. This price pressure momentum is indicator. It is developed. It reads data from the order books. It reads data from the order books. So we could just, since it's the 1 hour chart, it's a lot more close, a lot faster. Okay, so the stock is rising at the pace. This 10 period moving average is rising at a pace of $72 every 1 hour. The buying pressure is 21. Okay, yeah, and then let's see now. Let's see, buying pressure is 21, and yeah, it has increased of late. It has increased, but it has slowed down. Has it slowed down? It has actually increased. The buying pressure has increased. So even so, with this, with this pullback, the stock is now in the support zones, the level where people begin to consider getting back into the stock. So we have seen buying pressure has actually increased compared to what it was over an hour ago, but the pace has equally increased as well. So yeah, but it doesn't. This is not. It's not the best window at the moment. It's not the best windows at the moment. Yeah, that's not the best window at the moment. Let's come back to the 4 hour chart, even though we have already seen what we want to see on the 1 hour chart. So the stock is currently rising at the pace of this 4 hour chart, $53 every 4 hours, and I know the stock is not trading up to $53, but the stock was severely bearish before. You can see that. So that's, if you factor all of those things, that is how it is. That's how that came about. Buying pressure is yeah, decreased, has decreased somewhat. The pace at which the stock, that moving average is climbing up the chart is has has diminished. Yeah, and buying pressure has improved tremendously. Has improved tremendously, and the buying pace it has also, no, it has not improved. The buying pace has not improved. So it's a mix of things on this 4 hour chart. The stock is also optionable. Let's see what we have. Let's see what's going on. Volatility is 128%. Are we going to see anything? What are the odds that we're going to see something? Let's see. It needs some data. It needs some memory to load up. Yeah, has it crashed? Seems it may have crashed. Yeah. Okay. So have a look and see what you make of ALMS. And thank you very much for watching this video.